Take a look at this pickup just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1949 Chevrolet 3100 5-window pickup. As you can see, as far as the paint, kind of a custom patina look to this one. Underneath the hood, 283 V8 that is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Now, the gentleman that brought this truck to us on consignment recently had went through the engine and had some things redone to it. Needed a little bit of an overhaul. So it does have a Melling MTC1 cam in it, lifters, and timing was set. Edelbrock Performer intake, Edelbrock carb, HEI ignition, and we'll check out that engine bay here in just a little bit, let you get a look at that. Power steering, power brakes, and heat. Also underneath the hood in this one. Now, as far as the grill, kind of matches that patina look. We got a little bit of surface rust, maybe a ding here and there in the bright work to kind of go along with that aged look. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, check out the interior, engine bay, the bed of this truck. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, we can be reached at 507-386-1726. Riding on the chrome rally style wheels. There are a few spots. You can see a little previous work that was done on the fender up here, but with the patina look of the truck, it's kind of tough for it to really stand out. So you don't notice a whole lot. A couple of spots that are touched up to blend in with the patina. Interior of this, leather bucket seats, kind of a deep, deep midnight blue, I would say, bring out kind of the highlights on the exterior in the blue, and then of course a white and black combination with that. So interior kind of set up to go along with the exterior of this truck. Of course, there's your 5-window cab. Take a look down the passenger side. This is a soft tonneau cover that was added. It is actually very slick. Has a couple struts and just raises right up and will stay there, nice and lightweight. Keep things from blowing out of the box, doing a little traveling, anything like that. Want to put anything back here. So nice setup with that soft tonneau cover on there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the underside pictures. You may notice this does have steering up front from a 75 Camaro. Nova rear end. Does have a 308 rear gear ratio and has recently had a 4-wheel alignment. Once again, those still pictures, so if you want to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let you take a look at the driver's side here. And I do have a few of these, just if there's some light scratches or what have you, imperfections kind of in that patinaed custom paint. I do have pictures in with the still pictures of that also on our website. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Like I said, bucket seats. You have leather bucket seats, and it is power. Let me turn the key on a second here. Not much adjustment to it, but do have the power leather bucket seats, door panels, center console with a cup holder, I guess is what I would call it. Maybe not necessarily a console, but cup holder. See how the cab was finished off in here. Steering column, aftermarket gauges. Previous owner did mention no sending unit in the tank. Gas gauge will not work. Other 3 gauges did work. There happens to be a stick. If you wanted to check how much gas is in it, it can be done from the bed of it, just with a measuring stick. And he also said if he refilled about every 200 miles, he was safe. So that's kind of what he did, is watch the miles, and about every 200 he would put fuel in. There's a lowdown on that. All right, let's go ahead and make sure we're in park. See how easily it starts. 283 runs nice. See the oil pressure pop right up there. So the speedometer, according to previous owner, also works and is accurate. This is a heating unit, FYI. Nice looking dash. Of course, this is for seeing the stoplights, the reflection, the stoplight. with the visor on there, since it would be a little tougher to see up and in front of you. Door closes and fits nicely. Slip around to the back. Dual exhaust, obviously. Nice sounding truck. A 283 smooth running engine in this one. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop the hood. Let's check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, there's the 283. Okay, electric fan. Thermostat's hooked up with the adjustable one. Power steering, power brakes. A little bit of chrome dress up with valve covers and air cleaner cover. HDI ignition back there. Edelbrock, and I believe it was Performer intake. And an Edelbrock 4-barrel on there with electric choke. Sounds good. There you go. You're looking for a nice 5-window pickup, something a little different you won't see every day. 1949 Chevrolet 3100 5-window pickup. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call and arrange.